Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Frances and I do videos on fashion, lifestyle, and home decor. Today I'll be sharing with you a home decor haul from CB2, Target, and HomeGoods. If you're interested in any of this, keep on watching. And we will get started. We're not going all out this year. We're aiming more for the white and neutral look. I actually do have CB2 as my inspo for our Christmas tree. So what is your home going to look like for the holidays this year? I would love to hear. So go ahead and leave that in the comments and share with me all of your home decor inspo and when do you plan to start decorating your home. As you know, I am now almost 9 months pregnant. I'm 3 weeks away from my due date. When you'll be watching this video, and our baby can come any day now. We actually did announce our baby's gender on Instagram, so if you're interested in that, go ahead and give us a follow on our Instagram account down below. So first, I just wanted to get started and talk about what I got from CB2. So CB2, actually, I did buy a lot of things from there last year for our home decor, and I'm going to incorporate those pieces into this year's home decor. Since we've been busy preparing for the baby's arrival, we haven't had much time to go shopping and all that. We're just trying to get everything situated for our baby. But first is this pumpas wreath. So I've been wanting this wreath since last year. I did get more greenery last year, but since this year I decided to do neutrals, I wanted to go ahead and purchase this wreath. I wanted to make it myself, but because I have carpal tunnel due to pregnancy, I just purchased it myself. This one is in the taupe color and I love it. I will go ahead and link it down below, just like every other item. And it's just a very neutral look and you can use it all year round, I believe. I will put this picture up here and show you how I put it on my fireplace. We actually might use it on the fireplace and leave it there because I really like how it gives the room a pop of color, because in our family room it's more black and white palette. For Target, I got a whole bunch of stuff from Target. It's like from Threshold, from Studio McGee. Let's get started with Target. So these Christmas trees, I got a whole bunch of Christmas trees. These are the bottle brush Christmas trees. I mean, these are like 7 inches or so. These are called the large bottle brush tree. I love this neutral color, and I'll just put like a whole bunch of Christmas trees around the house. I have several of them in several colors. Not several colors, but different color, the same color palette. So it'll be like the browns and neutrals and the whites. And more Christmas trees. This one, these are the wooden ones. These are from like the dollar spot, but they're actually $3 each. They are probably about like, I don't want to say like 4 inches tall, but I really love how it's like the light wooden washed texture. And then more bottle brush trees. These are the mini ones. These are a pack of 4 for $5. I love these because they're white and you know, you can make a little town out of them with the little ceramic houses. Or if you've been a subscriber since last year, you know that for Vlogmas we actually did decorate our home and we did use a lot of these ceramic houses, so I just purchased another one. Last year actually one of them broke and shattered, and this one actually does light up too. This one's a large ceramic house and it was $5 from like the dollar spot. I love how this is because you put it on your mantle or your TV stand or even on your entry table, just to give it a little cozy like town snow look. And I thought this was really cute. It matched the theme that I wanted to go with this year. This is like a little gold and white nativity set. So cute. It's like 15 bucks. Has a little baby Jesus in the blanket here, and I really like that look. I feel like we should put this on our fireplace, but I'm not too sure where, but I'm really excited to decorate this. We're actually trying to decorate our home before the baby arrives. My due date is early December, and so we're aiming to decorate the home probably over Thanksgiving weekend or even this weekend. And moving on to more Christmas trees. These are actually the smaller wooden ones from the Studio McGee Threshold collection. I love this wooden look. When you compare it to this, you can see how it is like a monochrome look, so I would probably put these next to each other. And I'll go ahead and share here on the screen how I decorated our TV stand last year with our glass Christmas trees that we got from CB2. So last year I went more with a black and white palette with a hint of greenery, and I think I'm gonna add a little fresh garland, the one I got from Costco, because you get a really good deal on that one. It's like 25 bucks for like, I want to say 8 feet, but I have to double check on that. And then just this little cute decorative item that I thought would be so cute in the baby's nursery or on the baby's chair glider that we got. This little like stuffed Christmas tree. It's so cute. It's from the Threshold collection at Target. It's a decorative faux fur tree, and it's not like soft here on the bottom. It's the stem or the trunk of the tree, but it's just cute to have like sitting on the table or on the glider. And from the Wonder Shop, we got these mini stockings. I know I said I'm going for the white and neutral look, but all the white and neutral stockings that I wanted to get, they're all like Etsy or Amazon. I didn't really want to like get them made, so I was like, oh, let's just settle for these. They're like $5 each. So obviously this is F for Francis, that's me, and R for my husband. And we also got one for our baby. We haven't announced our baby's name yet, so I'm not going to show what that letter is on their stocking, but these two are going to go on our little antique fireplace that we have. I'll show you here what we did with it last year, but I'm so excited that we finally have a stocking for our baby because it's just so cute. And to go with the theme, here are a set of 3 gnomes. These are so cute. These are actually, I think they're stuffed on the bottom. It's like heavy, like a beanbag type of material, but these are so cute because they're white and neutral and gray, and you could just put it some random spot in the house, just make it a little fun. I think it would be a really cute look. And we also got a chance to go to Crate and Barrel, and there's the wooden snowmans that I had my eye on that are similar to the Studio McGee Christmas trees, and I'll go ahead and show a video here. I really want that one, so I'm gonna go ahead and pick that up later. I'll probably show that in our next video of when we finally decorate the home. Hopefully we have a chance to before the baby arrives. And then more bottle brushes. So this is also from Threshold. This is like the beige kind of look. When you compare it to the tall, when I compare it to the tall white one, this is how it looks in color. So I'm really excited about how much all of this matches the color palette that I'm trying to go for this year. Very, very neutral aesthetic, and I absolutely love this. Lastly, from Target, this is actually from the Hearth and Hand collection, this candle set. I love this because it's not really like holiday decor. Last year I actually got the stone versions of it. It's like a set of 4 concrete candles, and this year they have these fluted candle sets from Hearth and Hand. There's 4 of them. I don't know if you can see it here, but they're fluted, different widths, and it's a very great aesthetic to have because you can use this all year round. You don't really have to bring it out just for the holiday decor, but you can, you know, if you put it on a tablescape or even just on like an entry table to give warmth to the room. I feel like this is just such a cute set of candles to have. And then lastly, from HomeGoods, I actually just picked up one coffee table book. I've been eyeing this book for a while, and when I saw it, they had like 3 of them in stock, and I took the one that had the plastic wrap above it on it because I hate when they put the price tag on the book, and it just messes up the book. But this one is the Yves Saint Laurent coffee table book. It does look a little too bright, but the spine of it is actually white and neutral, so for me it would go perfect with any other books if I stack it. And the little tip and trick that I like to share is that if you want to stack your books and not all of the spines match in color, you can always turn them around so that it just shows the pages, and it will look cute and more neutral in your room if you're going for that type of look. I feel like Yves Saint Laurent is an underrated brand. Me and Reggie have a lot of shoes and purses from there, so I will link the style number down below for those of you who want to try to snag it at your local HomeGoods, because we know how those searches can go. HomeGoods is like a hit or miss, so I was so excited to get this one. And so lastly, as I mentioned in the beginning, I wanted to use CB2's holiday catalog as inspo. As soon as I saw this photo of their Christmas tree with the pumpas inserted, I was like, I have to make our house like that, or our Christmas tree like that. We've been using the same Christmas tree for the last 2 or 3 years. It's a flocked Christmas tree. I think it's like 7 foot from Target, and it's pre-lit, and we're also going to reuse the white and gold ornaments that we used for the last 2 years in our Christmas tree for this year because it matches the white and neutral aesthetic. So this year I'm really excited to just add pumpas. Like, this is obviously neutral, and I'll show you here the CB2 tree that inspired me to go for the more neutral look. Also, it gives a lot of texture with all the wooden accents that we'll be having and for our holiday decor. I just think it's really cute. And yeah, so I can't wait to share that with you and show you how we end up decorating our home. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember, if you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for any videos in the future that I post. And if fashion and lifestyle are your interests, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and follow me on Instagram as well. On Instagram, I post way more, so I'll go ahead and link that down below. And make sure if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Alright, well, thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in the next one. Bye! Happy holidays!